Hello everyone, it's me, Bo Shevasu. You're probably clicking on this video because the instructions for hooking up Amazon Smile to your Amazon app are absolutely horrendous. So hopefully this saves you a few minutes. Go ahead and open up your app, go down into the lower right, click that menu down there, at which point click on the very middle. It says gifting and charity right up there at the very top. See that little elephant guy? Click on that, scroll down until about midway. You see that Amazon Smile, bam, click on that, and there we go. You can hook up your charity right here. I heard somewhere that Amazon does say that you need to go back and re-click on this every 6 months. Personally, I've just kind of set and forget it, and I have been contributing towards my nonprofit of Knok Studio here. Do keep in mind that it is a very, very small rate that Amazon contributes. I know it says every little bit counts, but honestly, it's 0.5% of purchases, which is absolutely nothing. So I would recommend that you do not spam your donors with this link, but rather allocate and direct them towards actually giving on your website, or come to a spaghetti feed or something like that, because this says that you've generated $441.88. That says I have generated. That is false. In fact, that is pretty false advertising. That is me and everybody else who has purchased through the smile.amazon.com link, contributing towards my charity of choice, which is Knok Studio. So that is very, very disingenuous of them saying you have generated. I personally have not. Through my purchases, I have not generated $441. That is horribly misleading. So don't think that Amazon Smile will actually raise a lot. Instead, don't spam your charity, your donors with links like this. Now, I show you this because, if you're the founder, well, sure, go ahead and just hook up Amazon Smile. It doesn't hurt, but basically the bang for your buck is very, very minimal. So do not direct donors towards Amazon Smile. Instead, if you really want them to donate and support your nonprofit, just direct them to your website and say, please donate on there. If they donate only $20 a month, that will be 100 times more than what you would get from them through Amazon Smile, and they think that they're donating a significant amount through Amazon Smile, when in fact they really are not. This number is everybody combined, not just my giving through Amazon Smile. So sorry to rain on your parade if you were really excited about Amazon Smile, but it's pretty much a scam. Really, you're not going to make a lot off of this. Don't spam your donors. Do not spam your donors. Okay? I hope this helps.